This is a great setup for hip internal rotation and external rotation. In this video, we're going to work internal rotation, pails and rails. So we're going to be isometrically contracting to try to push the leg out of internal rotation. In this case, that's going to be pushing through the ankle down through the floor, making sure that the knee stays stable and in contact with the floor as well. Followed by a contraction in the opposite direction. So then we're going to try to internally rotate, which we're going to try to lift the foot off the floor. Once you feel the internal rotation and the contraction of the second part, you don't want to think so much about lifting the foot off the floor, but rather about contracting that tissue more. So maintain the stretch for the prescribed amount of time in the program, and that's going to be followed by the pails contraction. Again, that's going to be driving our foot through the floor. I like to sometimes maybe push my knee down here just to be able to have another leverage point. I'm going to ramp up slowly in percentage of effort that I'm giving the contraction. I'm going to go all the way up to the tolerable effort, ideally 100%. If I'm trying to get more range, I'm going to hold that effort for the amount of time that is in the program. And then I'm going to follow that up with the other contraction. This one is going to be straight to 100%. So you want to go all the way as hard as you can right away. In the opposite direction, internal rotation, I'm trying to lift the foot and the ankle and the toes off of the floor. But I am all the way turned in, so there will be no actual separation, or rather there should be no actual separation if you're in the proper position. This is going to most likely be for about 1, 2, or 3 reps, but do as prescribed in the program.